Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to vlog 2. So we just got done with breakfast and now we're checking out of Harrison Hotel in Seminyak, and now we're just going to go on our way to Gili Islands. So stay tuned. So guys, we took approximately 2 hours to reach Gili Island, and here we are finally. And the vibes are so excellent. It's so breezy, and the sea, it's like proper Maldives vibe, like totally. Just look at this, you guys. It's crazy. It's so blue. It's like light blue, and then it's slightly darker, and then it again goes light. It's like wow. So now we are walking on the streets of Gili Island. This is what it looks like, and now we've plans to do some snorkeling. So let's see how that goes. Here are people renting out some bikes and just chilling and roaming around. So we checked into our next hotel, and the name of this hotel is Blue Marlin Dive. So I think they have some association with scuba diving as well. So I think we're going to be doing scuba diving with these guys itself. And this is what the property looks like. So thankfully we got the ground floor, so there's a pool right outside and there's this cute little space to sit. And this is what the hotel room looks like. That's my friend. This is my outfit for the day. So since I've come for a long 18-day trip, and the second half of my trip is going to be all towards my yoga practice and my aerial arts practice and exploring some new artistic forms. So I've had to cut down on a lot of luggage, because of which I'm wearing my outfit clothes also for the regular days, because I have this one tiny bag which I have carried with a backpack. So some compromises have to be made, guys. You all can't have everything. Hey guys, just got done with my first snorkel, and the experience was incredible. We spotted a lot of turtles and a lot of small tiny fishes, some of them big ones. I don't know which breed, which turtle or which fish is Nemo, but we spotted Nemo as well. And plus, in fact, everyone was saying that we entered the sea at the wrong time, but I think we entered the sea at the correct time. Everyone was saying morning is the best time because of the high tides, but we entered in the time when the waves were not pushing us away towards the shore. So it was much better right now compared to what it would have been in the morning. We entered the sea at around 4:30. So you can keep this in mind before you go for your next snorkel. Just look at the view at the sea now, guys. It's so gorgeous. Hello guys, good morning. I just woke up and it's 7:05 a.m. right now, and now that I think of it, I think I missed the sunrise. So I'm here at the beach now. I hoped that I could see the pretty sunrise, but I unfortunately missed it. This is what the sea looks like. It's so pretty even then. I'm gonna definitely try to wake up sooner tomorrow as well, so that I can at least catch like 5 minutes of it, but it's okay. So guys, now we've come for breakfast and we're just getting prepped for the scuba dive, and this is what we are eating. So we called for pancakes as well as some beans on toast, because that is vegetarian and there are very limited vegetarian options in this place. So just keep that in mind before ordering, and make sure that you clarify it a couple of times with the waiters that is this completely vegetarian, or sometimes they don't understand what you're saying. Here are some scuba lessons going on for the first group. We're super excited to start. So we did our first diving prep session in the pool just now for like 1.5 hours. We're already so exhausted, and now just after eating something, we're just going to go and move on for the main scuba dive. Very excited for that. Let's see how it goes. This is what we're eating before the dive. All junk stuff. guys, we just got done from the scuba dive and it was an extremely surreal experience. Very exhausting initially. I was really freaking out, and twice actually we went like a couple of feet down and I had to like spring back up because I was getting really scared. So just because I was not breathing properly and I was not calm mentally, that's why I felt I was getting suffocated constantly, but that was not true. It was just my mental intention. But honestly, what they say in ZNMD, just saans lete raho. That's the key, guys. That's the complete key. Just adding some glimpses now of the scuba dive, and amazing experience overall, guys. Go for it. So we are back to our hotel now, Blue Marlin, and I'm feeling extremely tired and my muscles are feeling very, I don't know, worked up. I'm not being able to understand how they are feeling. So I just feel I need a quick stretch. So I think I'm going to do like a mini short yoga flow just to release all my muscles because of all the spinning. We were underwater for approximately like 50 minutes today. 50 minutes for scuba and 1.5 hours for the training. So I think stretching out is a very important part after doing this. Otherwise you might feel your muscles might feel very tense the next day. And I'm finding it to be very tense right now itself. So just follow me for this flow. So guys, we just got done with dinner in Giliti and we came to this restaurant, and this is a cafe. The food over here is not good anywhere you go, so, which is why I ended up eating like 3 roasted corns because honestly I didn't enjoy the food anywhere. And this is more of a party place, you know, I don't think you can even expect anything else. But for people like me who are not into drinking, partying, it's still pretty for the beaches. Very noisy. So finally caught the sunrise today, guys. Can't believe it, we'll be leaving this beautiful location today. Really gonna miss this.